You won't believe how fast this patriotic dinner comes together, and with ingredients you never thought could taste this good. In just 10 minutes, you'll have a red, white, and blue meal that's not only vibrant and fun, but absolutely delicious. And yes, we're covering it all. A bold main dish, a crisp side, a cheeky snack, a refreshing drink, and a sauce so good you'll want to pour it on everything. This is no ordinary weeknight dinner. This is a 10-minute celebration on a plate. So let's jump right in, but stick around, because what I do with blueberries might just blow your mind. And before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe for more creative dinner magic like this, and share this video with someone who needs a little dinner inspiration this week. But here's a question for you. Have you ever added fruit to a savory dinner? Would you dare try blueberries with chicken? Let me know in the comments, because what you're about to see is a flavor twist you won't forget. This recipe was actually born on a night I opened my fridge and saw almost nothing. Some rotisserie chicken, blueberries, roasted peppers, and a tired tortilla. I thought, why not? What came out was so surprisingly good, my family asked for it again the next night. Sometimes the weirdest combos become the most unforgettable meals. We're starting with the star of the plate. Red, white, and blue patriotic chicken wraps. These come together in minutes using shredded rotisserie chicken, whipped cream cheese, blueberries, and roasted red peppers. Yes, blueberries in a savory wrap, and they work like magic. Take a large tortilla. Spinach or sun-dried tomato tortillas are best for extra color, and spread a generous layer of whipped cream cheese across the whole surface. Add a layer of shredded rotisserie chicken, a handful of sliced roasted red peppers for that fire red punch, and here comes the twist. Sprinkle in fresh blueberries. Just enough to give that pop of sweet tang. The flavors balance each other beautifully with the creamy cheese and juicy chicken. Roll it up tightly, slice it on the diagonal, and plate it with the red and blue sides showing. It's patriotic, it's pretty, and it's packed with flavor. Plating tip. To make them pop even more, tie each wrap slice with a little twine, or place a tiny American flag toothpick on top. Serve them on a wooden board for an Insta-worthy look. Now here's a little twist you can try if you have an extra minute or two. You can absolutely sear this wrap on a hot pan for a toasty, golden finish. Searing it gives you a warm, slightly crisp wrap, melts the cream cheese just a bit, and adds a subtle smoky depth. But keep in mind, heating can cause the blueberries to burst slightly and get a little messy. So go easy if you're toasting. But here's why I don't sear it in this version. This recipe is all about speed, freshness, and contrast. That cool whipped cream cheese, the juicy blueberries, and the chilled roasted red peppers create this incredible balance of creamy, sweet, and savory when served cold. It's perfect for summer nights or a grab-and-go patriotic meal that feels light but still exciting. So whether you keep it fresh or give it a quick sear, you're in for a flavor explosion either way. Now, every great main needs a side, and this one's a 3-minute hero. White corn and cucumber salad. Grab a bowl. Toss in 1 cup of drained, canned, white sweet corn, half a cucumber chopped finely, a little chopped red onion, and a splash of apple cider vinegar. Season with salt, pepper, and a tiny bit of honey. It's cold, crunchy, slightly tangy, and it pairs perfectly with the wraps. For your quick snack, this one's addictive and only takes 2 minutes. Patriotic popcorn clusters. Mix freshly popped popcorn with crushed freeze-dried strawberries and crushed blue corn chips. Drizzle with melted white chocolate. Just 30 seconds in the microwave is enough. Toss, cool for 1 minute, and boom. You got sweet, salty, crunchy clusters that scream. Fun. These also store great in lunchboxes or seal jars. Now let's talk sauce, because every wrap deserves a little something creamy to dip into, or drizzle on top. This one's so simple, and yet ridiculously flavorful. In a bowl, mix 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon maple syrup, and a pinch of dried dill. Stir until smooth. It's savory, a little sweet, and absolutely packed with flavor. Trust me, this is the kind of sauce you'll want to put on everything. And of course, no meal is complete without a drink. For this one, we're going with something festive and hydrating. Sparkling berry lime water. In a mason jar, pour chilled sparkling water over a handful of frozen strawberries, blueberries, and a few fresh mint leaves. Squeeze in a wedge of lime and give it a quick stir. The berries slowly tint the water, the mint adds brightness, and the fizz makes every sip feel like a mini celebration. It looks like red, white, and blue confetti dancing in a glass. Meal prep trick. Make the sauce and salad the night before, store them in airtight containers, and when you come home, all you have to do is roll the wrap, plate the snack, and pour the drink. It's your patriotic power move for stress-free nights. And here's what you've just built in 10 minutes. A vibrant wrap with creamy chicken, sweet blueberries, and roasted red peppers. A chilled, crunchy corn and cucumber salad. A sweet salty popcorn snack. A zingy, herby yogurt sauce. A refreshing, berry lime sparkling drink. Now imagine all of that laid out on a single plate or tray. Colorful, festive, nourishing, and unforgettable. This dinner isn't just fast. It's smart. The chicken gives you lean protein. Blueberries and red peppers bring antioxidants and vitamin C. The salad's full of fiber and hydration. The yogurt helps with digestion and adds healthy probiotics. Even the snack has whole grains and real fruit. And the drink. It's like a spa water glow-up. Want to switch it up? Try turkey or tofu instead of chicken. Use hummus in place of cream cheese for a dairy-free option. Add avocado to the salad for a healthy fat boost. Or swap the sparkling water for chilled hibiscus or green iced tea for more antioxidants. Bonus tip for everyone who stayed till the end. Pour leftover yogurt sauce into ice cube trays and freeze them. Next time you need a flavor burst for a wrap or grain bowl, just pop out a cube and microwave it. Instant homemade magic. And there you have it. The most colorful, delicious, and unexpected 10-minute patriotic dinner that you didn't even know your weeknight needed. If you're loving recipes like this, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more surprises in your kitchen, and drop a comment below. What's the most unexpected combo you've ever tried in a recipe? I just might turn it into a meal next. Share this with a friend who needs a quick weeknight dinner idea. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.